try to catch riding dirty. In the club before 11 o'clock, like I'm trying to catch it down kinda early. Looking thick, her hair brown and curly. She love the way my ride shining pearly. City boys and she fine and pretty.
That was a workout. If you want to get you one of these, click on the link below. Grab yours today, honey. It does something to your lower body, your upper body, your arms. It has the little stretch bells to work out that's connected, honey. Grab yours today. You will not be sorry. Alexa, pause. Alexa, stop. Grab yours today. You will not be sorry. The description is in the link, honey. That just works up your whole entire body, honey. Some people sit on it. You can squat on it, do your squats. Some people do it like this, honey. It's a lot of ways you can do it, but y'all will be seeing me work out on this thing once again. So let me grab my drink. I had to get me a pomegranate tea, an elderberry boost, baby, because honey, that was a workout. Until next time, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace and blessings. Hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. Bye.